Welcome. Today, we're exploring how to become a data analyst, a role crucial to making informed decisions in businesses today. First, let's talk about the essential skills you need, such as critical thinking, statistical knowledge, and effective communication. Next, we will explore various educational pathways, including degrees and specialized certifications to enhance your expertise. You'll need to familiarize yourself with key tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software to succeed. Building a portfolio to showcase your data projects is crucial. It's your chance to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Consider internships and entry-level positions to gain valuable practical experience in the field. Networking is key. Engage with the data community to build connections and learn from fellow analysts. Let's discuss how to prepare for job interviews, including common questions and effective ways to answer them. Remember, continuous learning is vital in this field. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools. In conclusion, being a data analyst is a rewarding career path. Start your journey today and get ready to make a big impact.